The Taco Bell triple steak stack is big. It's about 9 inches in length and it weighs a little more than half a pound. It consists of a triple serving of marinated steak and a triple cheese blend inside a flatbread. But its size is pretty much all it's got going for itself. It's quite bland. The marinated steak is tender, but it tastes cheap and the cheese and flatbread provide very little flavor. The flatbread not only has no flavor, but it breaks apart easily. Oh, did I mention it's quite pricey? The only way to salvage the triple steak stack is to squirt out as many Taco Bell sauces as you can into it, or add something a bit stronger. I give the Taco Bell triple steak stack a 5 out of 10.